Bitcoin has gained impressive gains recently. Can you believe Bitcoin has rocketed up close to 160% in 2023? It's now over $40,000 a coin, a number we haven't seen since the golden days of 2021 when it soared over $68,000. But here's a twist. To match its peak power back in November 2021, considering inflation, Bitcoin would need to be valued at around 76,145 today. Crazy, right? And guess what? Bitcoin's not just climbing the ladder alone. It's a trend we're seeing across various assets. So what's fueling this Bitcoin bonanza? Number one, interest rates. It's all about prediction in the world of stocks and Bitcoin. The value we see today is a bet on their future worth. Right now, Bitcoin seems to be predicting gloomy days ahead for the economy, expecting the Federal Reserve to jump in with interest rate cuts. This prediction stems from something called the Fed's Beige Book. It's like a crystal ball where regional banks forecast the economic climate. They're expecting a significant slowdown over the next 6 to 12 months. If the Fed doesn't act soon with rate cuts, we could be tiptoeing into recession territory. Next is the halving in April 2024. Picture a future where AI reigns and Bitcoin becomes a scarce resource, rarer than gold. It sounds like sci-fi, but it's a real possibility. The halving event in April 2024 will reduce the rate at which new Bitcoins are created, making it more scarce. We measure this using the stock-to-flow ratio, a fancy term for how many years it would take to replicate the current supply. Post-halving, Bitcoin's rarity will surpass gold, making it an even more coveted asset. Next is the Spot Bitcoin ETF. This could be a monumental moment for Bitcoin. Approved between January 5th and 10th, it could propel Bitcoin to new heights. It's all speculative, but the potential impact on Bitcoin's value can't be ignored. I have explained more about Bitcoin ETF in another video, which you can check in the I button above. Next is the price prediction dilemma. How high will Bitcoin soar? That's the million-dollar question. The debate around Bitcoin's value has been ongoing since 2009, with opinions ranging from Ponzi scheme to the future of finance. These debates often mirror the uncertainty and skepticism that new technologies and ideas face. Some argue that Bitcoin lacks intrinsic value compared to gold, which has practical uses. Others see it as an evolution in how we perceive value and currency. Remember, there was a time when Bitcoin hitting $5,000 seemed like a fantasy. Now we're talking about it potentially breaching $100,000. It's a testament to how perceptions can shift dramatically over time. People's understanding and acceptance of Bitcoin's value are evolving, and it's likely that this will continue as it becomes more ingrained in our financial system. Next is Bitcoin's criticism and acceptance. Criticism of Bitcoin often comes from established financial institutions. They liken it to a bubble or a tool for illegal activities. But it's crucial to view these criticisms through the lens of competition and self-interest. Just like hotels initially dismissed Airbnb, or taxi companies scoffed at Uber, traditional banks are wary of Bitcoin's disruptive potential. Yet, despite the skepticism, Bitcoin persists. It's a signal that there might be more to it than just speculative hype. Its resilience and growing acceptance suggest that it could have a lasting impact. We've come to see Bitcoin as a bet on a digital future, a hedge against traditional financial structures. That's why this could be incorporated into an investment strategy, albeit in a measured way. If the critics are right, the losses will be limited. But if they're wrong, the potential gains could be significant. One approach that has shown promise is dollar-cost averaging. Consistent investment over time, regardless of market fluctuations, has yielded positive results for many Bitcoin investors. In conclusion, the world of Bitcoin is complex and ever-changing. As we entered into 2024 with potential rate cuts, the halving and the possibility of a Bitcoin ETF could be an exciting time to be in the crypto space. How high Bitcoin can go remains a subject of debate, but one thing is clear. It's becoming harder to dismiss as a mere financial fad. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment what you think about Bitcoin in 2024. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this insightful, smash that like button and subscribe for more.